You've probably heard the expression before that audio quality should be treated just as important as video quality, or something along those lines anyway. And that's why editing video audio is an important routine to get into. We're going to show you how to remove hiss from audio in SoundForge Audio Studio 12, coming up. Welcome to Simple Green Tech, where we do tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you create great digital content. I'm Radio Zane, and if it's your first time stopping by the channel, thank you for checking out this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, including more videos on SoundForge 12, please subscribe to the channel. There are numerous programs out there for editing video audio, but SoundForge Audio Studio 12 is one of the more affordable programs, and it comes with all of the tools and features that you'll need for editing video audio. I've linked to Magix's website so you can check out the latest offers and see all of the details of SoundForge Audio Studio 12. Okay, so now let's get into the actual process of how to remove hiss from audio in SoundForge Audio Studio 12. First, you'll want to drag and drop your video file or your audio file if it's separate from your video. Once it's loaded in, select the entire file by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard, or you can also just click and highlight the section that you want to edit. Now go up to Tools, Audio Restoration, and click on De-Hisser. Once the De-Hisser opens, you can click on Speech here, and now SoundForge knows that we're working with voice audio. Now you can either adjust the controls manually by just clicking on Preview, and then your audio will start playing. This is a test of video audio with some hiss, and you can move the sliders to the desired spot. Or you can try one of the presets by clicking here and selecting the one that gives you the sound you want. After you click a preset, you can adjust it manually to really dial in the right settings. Keep previewing the audio while you adjust so you can hear what it sounds like. I often click the bypass button on and off when editing to compare the original audio to the de-hissed audio. I want to make sure that it doesn't sound worse than the original. A cool feature that doesn't really affect anything, but it is cool, is the Preview Artifact button. When you click this, you will hear all of the sound that you're removing. It's pretty interesting to hear, but it's not a necessary step. Once you've dialed in the final settings and you're ready to go, click on OK. You can then continue editing your audio if you want to do more to it, or you can just go up to File, click Save, give it a name, or you can overwrite what you've already recorded, and you now have a de-hissed audio track for your video. You can now load your video into Magix Vegas Pro or whatever software you use for editing, or if your video was already edited and you just needed to adjust the audio, you can now post your video. If your video has really bad hiss or hum in the background and you can't edit it out with this method, you should consider upgrading your microphone or your preamps, or maybe even both. A little bit of hiss and a little bit of hum is normal in the background of videos. But if it's too loud, there's likely a problem with your gear. Let me know in the comments below what you're currently using for your audio recording. And you can also let me know what you think of it. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this one, including more SoundForge Audio Studio videos, please subscribe to the channel. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.